No! No, Donna, get actually away. He's just... This is so ridiculous. He's going to crash it. I know he's going to crash it.
That's why aren't you doing it instead? Oh, Dan, who could... No. David,
take your time.
Run away!
Slow down the throttle. God. Oh my God. Half throttle. Half throttle. Dad, bring it down. Oh my God. Dad, this way. Dad, turn around. Shit, Dad, there's people there.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hey!
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Dad, go pick it up. Look at Daniel.
Kaboom. It looked around.
Well, Daniel. Stupid, right?
There's one fight I say, Dad.